It's unlike the Forte. When you bring the audio back, it still retains the nicer qualities of the higher end piece of equipment that I have here. So I can kind of feel in some way that I'm taking the studio with me when I go.
I'm here at Musikmesse 2013 for Sound on Sound, and I'm here with Nicholas from Softube, who's going to show us the Console One, which is a software-hardware mixing platform. So, Nicholas, can you tell us a bit more?
Absolutely. The Console One consists of a hardware and an on-screen display and some serious analog emulation mojo. What we have here is a channel strip from a famous console that you can control with dedicated knobs from the hardware. And what's nice is that you can select what track you're working on. It works with any DAW, any format, VST, AU, RTAS, and you can work with the compressor and EQ and everything just like you would on a large console. So we're not just emulating the sound of the analog stuff, we're also emulating the workflow with this piece of hardware.
So how does it work then? Does it go into inserts on each channel, or?
That's right. We have a plugin also called Console One that's inserted on each channel. And there you can set the name of the track or the number if you want to put it some other place. And then all these inserts are controlled through the hardware and displayed on this on-screen display.
This overlay here, can you just talk us through this and how it works? Here we've got something slightly different, haven't we, from Softube. It's not based on the classic console.
No, we chose to do a very clean and nice layout so that you as user are able to quickly learn what's going on and see everything as clearly as possible. And the different sections are the same as the sections on the hardware. So you have the input section where everything here corresponds to a knob or a switch down here. You have a shape section, which is not just a gate, but you can also control the punch and the sustain of the signal, which is a nice modern addition because sometimes you just need a little bit more punch or a little bit more sustain in that tambourine or something. Then you have the EQ, the compressor, and the output section with solo, mute, pan, volume, all that. So you can do an entire mix just using this, never use a mouse, just working with this. So analog workflow and an analog sound.
So can you tell us when this is shipping and how much it's going to cost?
It's going to ship after summer, and we think it's going to cost about 800 euros.
Okay, that sounds pretty good.
Yeah,
okay.
It is. I mean, if we were to release this just as a software, it would have been almost like as expensive, and now you get this hardware as well. So it's our most advanced channel script that we've ever made, including a great piece of 4-pound hardware.
Great, fantastic. Thanks very much, Nicholas.
You're welcome.